A photovoltaic system is made of various mechanical and electrical components, and so safety products and procedures are critical in reducing electrical hazards or injury to on-site workers during an emergency. PROJOY Electric understands this problem very well. We have extensive experience in PV installations and produce high-quality PV solutions, ensuring protection of staff and equipment. Our company makes various electrical products such as rapid shutdown fire safety switches, DC isolators, smart meters, AC and DC electric boxes, and circuit breakers for photovoltaic applications. We have developed and patented many innovations, integrating the latest technologies, and have been exporting our products globally. Rooftops are a common place to install PV systems, and if fire happens, the lives of residents and firefighters will be put in danger. Our PEFSPL series rapid shutdown switch is a highly reliable panel-level device. In an emergency, it will immediately cut off the endangered area, ensuring safety and minimizing any damage. An inbuilt sensor will automatically disconnect the system when the temperature exceeds 85 degrees Celsius, protecting the firefighters from electrocution. Manual shutdown option is also available. Just a quick push of a button will turn the panel's DC power off. Our device is compatible with the SunSpec protocol. It can also be manually shut down using the DC switch of the inverter. Depending on the model, each switch can operate with 1 or 2 panels. System voltage is up to 1500 volts, allowing to support high voltage arrays. Made from high quality materials, our safety switch is highly resistant towards high temperature, UV exposure, corrosion, mechanical stress, and is flame retardant to conformance to the UL94VO standard. A wide operational temperature from -30 to +8 degrees Celsius and an IP68 protection level allows use of the product in diverse areas, including harsh climate environments. A well thought out design takes into consideration even the smallest details. For example, we equip the switch with a waterproof vent valve to prevent cavity condensation. High quality and strict stress testing ensure the product can serve through the entire life of the PV system, no less than for 25 years. Our rapid shutdown switch is certified for its reliability and performance with various national and international standards including NEC 2020, UL, CB, TUV, European CE, Australian SAA, and Chinese CCC. PROJOY Electric is an experienced manufacturer with several research centres and highly automated production bases in mainland China. In addition to R&D and production facilities, over the years we've built an extensive network of subsidiaries and authorised distributors spread across various countries and regions including Italy, UK, Australia, India, South Korea, Brazil, Taiwan and others. We aren't only the leading exporters of system component solutions, but also a long-term supplier of inverter components for top brands such as Huawei and Sungrow. We can offer reliable and cost-effective products. Contact us and we'll be happy to help you.